How I use AutoShorts AI to create shorts and make money on YouTube? Have you ever seen a random YouTube short pop up, rack up millions of views in hours, and thought, how do they do it? Here's the better question. How do they make money from it? It's not a fluke, and it's not just luck. There's a secret behind those viral hits. But the truth is, this secret isn't locked away. It's available for everyone, including you. And it's not just making YouTube creators famous. It's putting money in their bank accounts. What if I told you that there's a tool that can do 90% of the heavy lifting? That tool is changing the way people dominate YouTube without hours of editing, trial and error, and guesswork. Today, I want to introduce you to AutoShorts AI, the game changer for effortless YouTube shorts making, even if you've never set foot in any video editing software in your life. But here's the real kicker. It's not just about creating eye-catching content. This tool can actually help you start making money. Not later, not someday, but right now. Let me show you how. You've seen them, right? YouTube Shorts. Quick, snappy, and ridiculously effective at grabbing your attention. They're everywhere, and for good reason. Maybe you have asked, how do some creators rack up millions of views overnight? The bottom line is simpler than that. The right place at the right time and with the right content. For years, it may have been a struggle, until you find AutoShorts AI. Suddenly, everything will make sense. AutoShorts AI is no ordinary editing software. But for goodness sake, it is like having a professional video producer inside your pocket that works 24/7 for you. But that's not all. It's about doing smarter, faster, and more effective editing. That is how AutoShorts AI works. Believe me, it is easier than you think. 1. Sign up and access AutoShorts AI. On visiting the website, you can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. 1. Sign up and access AutoShorts AI. On visiting the website, you can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Upon successful login, you will be landed on the dashboard, where you can automatically start creating your faceless videos. 2. Dashboard. You will see an option called Series on the top left side of the dashboard. You need to create one or more series according to your content plans. 3. Destination. Simply click on the Create option to arrive at the destination page. It is the account where your video series will be posted. Here, you can link your YouTube or TikTok account, where the videos created through the series are automatically posted onto your account. If you want to manually upload it yourself, you can download the video through the Email Me Instead option. 4. Content. This step is important so as to know what the niche of your video series is. All the niches shown in the drop-down list of the content is currently trending on all social media platforms. From bedtime stories to scary stories, you can find interesting contents for your series. After choosing your niche, you can choose a narration voice for your video and continue choosing the language of your preference. And finally, on the last step, you need to click Create Series. 5. Customization. While the video is being generated, an engaging title and description is created by the AutoShorts AI tool, which can be edited. You can also use AutoShorts AI to add background music, overlays of text, or even just sound effects to your video. You can also create your own script and upload it in the Script option. With the background music and side effects, your scripted faceless video will be generated within no time and ready to be uploaded. 5. Export and upload to YouTube. You can preview the video, and once satisfied with your short, export it by clicking the Download button. The file will be formatted perfectly for YouTube Shorts, ensuring no quality loss. Head over to YouTube, upload your video. You can even directly upload it through the tool with the Schedule option, and the video will be automatically uploaded. But why focus on shorts? Why not stick to long-form videos? Here's why. Reach. YouTube is all in on shorts right now. They're pushing them hard to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. And this is where the opportunity lies. The algorithm is perfect for shorts, encouraging them to a wider audience, whether your channel is big or small. You don't have to rely on fancy equipment, thousands of subscribers, or a perfectly polished brand. All you need is content that is relatively attention-grabbing within your own fast-paced environment. Think of shorts as the trailer for your channel, a way to pull people in, make them curious, and lead them to binge your longer content. Casually, if you get people interested in your shorts, They will just keep checking out more of your channel. And that's how you turn a casual user into a subscriber, into loyal fans. But here's the thing. Not all shorts are created equal. If you post something dull, viewers will swipe away in seconds. That's why AutoShorts AI is so important. This means that every short you would ever post would always be interesting, sharp, and just in time to keep viewers watching until the last second. Takeaway: short-form video is the future of content creation. YouTube, among other platforms, is sinking significant investment into shorts because they know this is what people want to consume right now. Attention span is reduced, and viewers want it all fast, bite-sized, entertainment, education, or inspiration in under a minute. And now, thanks to AutoShorts AI, you can do it faster, more effectively than you ever could before. Stop waiting for the algorithm to decide to grant you the favor at will. Take things into your own hands, apply AutoShorts AI, and start seeing results today. Here's the part that you've all been waiting for: money. You're probably thinking, sure, I can get views, but how do I make actual cash? Great question. Here's how you can turn those views into revenue. 1. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Earlier, you get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program when you meet the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days. You receive a cut of the ad revenue generated by the videos you upload. AutoShorts AI gets you churning out consistent, high-quality content so that those milestones come faster than you would have imagined. 2. YouTube Shorts Fund. Even if you're not part of YPP yet, YouTube has a Shorts Fund. YouTube sets aside millions of dollars each year to reward creators making engaging shorts. If your short goes viral, YouTube might just send you a check as a bonus. It's like getting paid for doing what you're already doing. 3. Brand deals and sponsorships. Brands love exposure. YouTube Shorts give them exactly that. Once your shorts start racking up views, brands will take notice. They'll approach you for partnerships, sponsored content, or product placements. And here's the good news. Brands are willing to pay big for those 30-second spots that reach thousands, even millions of eyes. 4. Affiliate marketing. If you mention products or services in your shorts, drop an affiliate link in the description. Every time someone clicks and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Imagine earning hundreds of dollars from a 30-second short you made in 10 minutes using AutoShorts AI. 5. Increase views, increase revenue. The more shorts you create, the more opportunities you have to make money. YouTube's algorithm favors regular content, and AutoShorts AI makes it easy to produce a steady stream of videos. Each short gives you a shot at generating thousands or even millions of views. And with every view, you're either moving closer to monetization or directly profiting from your audience's engagement. 6. Batch production for consistent monetization. AutoShorts AI lets you create multiple shorts quickly and efficiently. This means you can batch produce your content and post consistently. The only way to keep people interested in your channel, and therefore the advertisers, is to upload regularly. The more videos you upload, the more ads will be served on your YouTube channel, and therefore the overall earnings will be enhanced. 7. Long-term growth with monetization potential. Consistently posting engaging shorts will not only generate instant revenue from the Shorts Fund and affiliate marketing, but also lay a foundation for a long-term growth cycle. Before you know it, audiences have started watching long-form videos, opening up channels to even more lucrative offers, including brand deals that pay way more and bigger ad revenues from longer video content. The future of content creation is short-form video, and the future of making money on YouTube is happening right now. AutoShorts AI helps you create high-engagement, money-making shorts faster and more effectively than ever. Stop waiting for the algorithm to randomly push your content. Take control, flood your channel with quality shorts, and watch the money start flowing in from ads, sponsorships, affiliate sales, and the YouTube Shorts Fund. AutoShorts AI isn't just a tool, it's your path to consistent YouTube income. Now you know you can use AutoShorts AI for creating faceless videos and generate income, but do you know you can use Vidno's AI to create AI videos and make money through them? Click on this video to find out.